What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my very first DIY for you, and I'm pretty excited because it is magically enhanced. Infused? It's magical. And here's why. Because you can see that this says Floo Powder, right? So this has everything to do with Harry Potter. And I'm super pumped. I'm a huge Harry Potter nerd. If you know me, I'm like the Harry Potter friend of the group. And I actually saw this on someone else's channel and I wanted to recreate it for you. She designed the stickers, so I just used those because I'm not that talented. So this is not my original idea, I just want to say that. But I really wanted one for my Harry Potter shelf. So I'm going to do it and I'm going to film it while I do it. Pretty pumped. So these are the stickers. I'm going to link her video in the description. That way you can see where I got them because she just put them out there for whoever to use too. But I just used regular white sticker paper. I got it from a craft store and I printed them there. I'm going to cut them out. We'll see how that goes because I'm terrible at cutting things. I don't do it right. I'm not good at it at all. So the next thing, I have the Dr. Teal's Pure Epsom salt, and it is like scentless, so it doesn't have a scent or anything, it's just the pure salt. So I don't know why I got such a big bag. That might be like all they had. But the thing about Floo Powder is it's described as like a green powder, and if you don't know what Floo Powder is, in the magical community, they use it to travel between chimneys, like fireplaces. You get in a fireplace and you throw it and then you go somewhere that you have to say it clearly. Because if you don't say it clearly, you can end up in a whole wrong situation and it could be bad for you. You don't want to be like Harry Potter and end up in bad places. So just be aware when you're traveling via Floo Powder. So just be careful. So I got that. And then to color, I got food coloring. This is like a red, I don't need that. So it came with green, so I'm gonna use the green primarily, but if for some reason I need to make it darker or lighter, and that's not working, I have blue and yellow as well as backups, because blue and yellow make green. Welcome to kindergarten. It's great, I love it. Next thing I got is this little guy, and he was from also a craft store. He was like $3 or something. So it's got this little cork thing here, right? I'm just gonna put it in there, do that, bada boom. The video that I originally saw about it, they painted the spoon. I don't want to do that. I like the wood look. So that's what we gonna do. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna size the sticker because honestly, like, I wanted to cut it out ahead of time, but I also wanted to show you the different sizes. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so it looks like this one. We're gonna go with this guy right here. All right, that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna cut that out. I'll be back to show you the process. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, or comment. Let me know if you'd like to see more of these videos. Till next time, I'll see you later. No.